Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a little exhaust video on this Honda Civic. And you're probably asking yourself, haven't you already done this one before 6 months ago? Well, that one I didn't do it properly and it got a lot of hate, so this one I'm going to do it properly this time. So in terms of spec, I've got the 1.5 Civic Sport Plus and it's got 182 brake horsepower. And I'm running 97 RON fuel. I don't think that'll make a difference, but anyway. It's got the automatic transmission with the flappy paddles. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And first off, the way I'm going to do it is we'll get some revs of the car when it's standing still, and then we'll do a little 0 to 60 and then a 30 to 60 and some general upshifts and downshifts of the car. So let's stick the GoPros on and then crack on with the video.